Just like I thought, it's out of the Hey kitties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Marilyn and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle. So if you like that kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe. Alright kids, so in today's video we have a first impressions on a new fragrance. Okay. And I have the travel size because just in case this doesn't work out, I have the travel size. Okay, this is by Phlur. I don't have any Phlur fragrances at all, but this one sounds interesting. I've smelled a couple before, the vanilla skin, the caramel skin. Didn't like any of those. I don't know what the girls are ranting and raving about, but vanilla skin, caramel skin. But Golden Rule sounds so pretty, so I want to go ahead and try it, and I want to make this a first impression. So I haven't smelled it yet, so you'll get my initial reaction on what I think about it. Okay, now initially when I read the notes for this fragrance, it sounded like sultry, summery type of vibes, and something that would be nice in warmer weather like spring and summer. Let me go ahead and pop the notes on the screen so you guys can see, and we'll go through those notes before smelling it. That way I can see what I think about it. All right, so the top notes has one of my favorite notes, and that is pear. So it has pear, mandarin, pink pepper. The middle notes have orange flower, water, coconut milk, jasmine, and it has a base note of vanilla, benzoin, and sandalwood. If that doesn't sound beautiful, like, baby, I don't really know what is. All right, so now for the moment of truth. I love a good first impressions, okay? I really do. All right, so let's open it up. Okay, hold on. So it actually just slides out. So this is the bottle. Now for the travel spray to me is very gorgeous. I mean, in the the full bottle is pretty as well, but they made this pretty too. So just use this little tab here to pull it out. All right, so this is the bottle. It's called Golden Rule. Okay, so here we go, girls. Let's see what it smells like. Where am I gonna spray? I'm gonna spray it here. Just do like a couple pumps, you know? It's a nice, ooh. You know what this smells? This smells really freaking good. You know what I smell as soon as that first mist came out? You know what perfume this reminds me of? Prada Intense. I think Prada has pear in it. It has vanilla, it has sandalwood. Prada also has, is benzoin also in Prada? I think so. Oh no, this smells good. This smells good. I can smell, this is a sweet, it smells very citrusy, but like in a good way. It's not overwhelming. And I was thinking this would be like a summer fragrance. This is more so of a all year round to me. I smell the vanilla, you smell that citrus note. There's a little bit of like a powdery note that I smell in this. It is warm, it's spicy. Oh girl. This is worth the big bottle. I'm not even gonna lie. See, sometimes I try to skimp and I try to save money because I'm like, you know what, maybe I don't really need a big bottle, but this one, I fear as soon as it goes in my purse, I'm going to be spraying it like crazy, and it's going to be completely done within a week or two. And I may need the big bottle. I don't know how long this lasts. It just seems like a fragrance that would last long. It's very strong in a, not in a bad way, not in an overwhelming way, but strong enough to create a scent bubble, because that's what you want. When you walk in the room, you want to leave a nice scent trail. Oh, only a gorgeous, gorgeous girl can wear this. Only a gorgeous, gorgeous girl. That's it. Okay? Because you have to feel confident and you have to be, oh, girl, this is so good. Like, this is a undeniable, gorgeous fragrance. I am very curious to read the reviews and see what people think about it, because this fragrance is top tier. something about citrus with like vanilla and that sandalwood. It's just really, really nice. And that little bit of an ambery note. This is a all year round, gorgeous at night, gorgeous in the daytime. This is a well-rounded fragrance and only a very gorgeous girl can wear it. That's it. This fragrance is strong enough to definitely be smelled when you walk in a room and when you walk out. It's going to be a trail. There's a trail of sexy, flirty, sensual, just. Now, so far so good. The only thing that would make this a 10 out of 10 is if the performance is really good. If it lasted very long, then it's a 10 out of 10. I have fragrances that I'm in love with that don't last long. I would say they last 5 to 6 hours, but for me, it's not a big deal because I'm just going to spray more. I mean, I have the travel size. I'm just going to spray more. So that's the only thing that will make it 10. Everything else, absolutely. The blend of the notes are gorgeous. This is definitely going to create a scent bubble like we talked about. And you are going to get compliments with this. Like, who the hell wouldn't like this? Pink pepper, pear, vanilla, sandalwood. I'm going to go grab my Prada and I'm going to do a combo on this hand and just see what it smells like, because this has a very similar scent to me, to the Prada Paradox. Because I love that so much, I immediately recognize the scent. So let me go grab that. Okay, so I'm back with Prada, but I also picked up my Devotion by Dolce & Gabbana because this is a vanilla. It's a citrusy vanilla, and I know, absolutely know, positively, it's going to make that smell, make Phlur smell even better, even sweeter. And I love that because they both have that citrus vanilla sort of tone to it. But yeah, and then I also have the Prada Paradox, and I'm going to mix it just to see what the combo smells like, because I know these two right off the bat are going to be a freaking hit mixed with that. Okay. All right. So first, on the top of my hand, I'm going to spray one. I'm just going to do one pump of the Prada, just one or two. I did two. The product, and I also put up the notes because I didn't know the notes by heart, but I know the scent. And listen to Prada's notes because it's extremely similar. I'll try to pop them on the screen so you can see them both. Top notes are pear, neroli, bergamot. The top notes of Phlur did have in pear because that's my favorite note, so I recognize it, or one of my favorite notes. And in the middle note of Prada Paradox is moss, jasmine, neroli essence. And in the base, it also has bourbon, it has bourbon vanilla, amber fix, and serenolite. So the notes are a little bit different, but there are some key notes in there that are the same, which makes me believe that these two combined are gonna make a intense, out of this world combo. So I put the Prada Paradox, and I'm gonna layer it with Phlur. I'm gonna do 2 pumps of Phlur as well. Okay. And just like I thought, it's out of this world. If you love like that citrusy, creamy vanilla scent with a little bit of that amber and a little slightly pop, like it is a beautiful combination of fragrances. And I just know my product was going to smell good with this, and I love that for me. I love that. This smells so good. It's a lot more intense when you combine them. On my other hand, I'm going to spray Devotion. I'm going to see which one I like the most. So I'm going to spray Devotion. And then I'm going to spray Phlur. And this is on my other hand. I don't know which one I like better. I literally don't know which one I like better. They both smell so fantastic. Oh my God. I don't know which one I like better, y'all, but I know the combos are out of this world. Trust me on this. Trust me on this. If you have those two fragrances, if you have Prada Intense and you have the Devotion, try to mix it with Phlur, or with Phlur by itself, because Phlur by itself is very good. I don't smell much of the, there's a coconut. Let me see. I feel like I don't smell a lot of the coconut milk. There's a coconut milk in the notes, and I don't really smell a lot of it which is fine. I love coconut, but I don't smell it much in this fragrance, but it's fine because the notes that I do smell, I absolutely love this. If you're looking for a fragrance that it's captivating, it's attention grabbing, it's gonna get you compliments, it's gonna create a scent bubble, it's gonna leave a scent trail, it's gonna bring all the boys to the yard. You need Phlur. If you love a fresh, fruity, creamy type of fragrance, then you are absolutely going to love Phlur. And I absolutely need the big bottle. I need the big bottle because I really do love this scent. And I'm impressed because compared to the other things that I've smelled by Phlur that I absolutely did not like at all, it wasn't even like, you know, it's okay, I can deal with it. I did not like them. And to get to one that I freaking love, yeah, Phlur, round of applause for you, because this golden rule, what? Yes, definitely my type of fragrance. Okay guys, so hopefully you enjoyed that reaction to this. Was a blind buy and this is my first impressions, and I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 because I don't know how long this lasts, but as far as everything else, perfection. Absolutely love it, down to the packaging is so gorgeous. I love the original bottle or the full-size bottle, but they made the travel spray cute too, and I really love that. Okay, I really do love that. Imagine pulling this out at a party out of your little clutch, baby, and just doing, come on. They thought about this. They were very intentional with this packaging, and it's a 10 out of 10 for me as far as packaging. The scent is beautiful, it's sexy. You can wear it in the daytime, nighttime, on a date, out with the girls. You're gonna get a compliment either way. Either way, and that's what we love. We love people that love fragrances and combos. They love to get compliments on their fragrances because that's a part of, it's like a part of your outfit. You know what I'm saying? Like I just, If you're gonna get this fragrance, I wanna know what you think about it. If you already got it, I wanna know what you think about it. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give it this a strong 9. Strong 9. I'll update you on how the longevity of it is because that is very important to a lot of people when it comes to fragrances. So I'll keep you posted. All right, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, come back, watch another video. Talk to me in the comments because I like that. I like y'all. So talk to me in the comments. All right, bye guys.